Introducing Grand Omega City, Owo. This property is right behind Satellite Housing Estate, which is developed by Enugu Housing Development Corporation. This property is along the Enugu-Abakaliki Express Road. This property is 5 minutes drive from Enugu, 10 minutes drive from Enugu International Airport, 20 minutes drive from Enugu Mall, which is ShopRite, and so many other landmarks. This property comes with a global CFO, which is one of the most tangible and authentic documents in Nigeria. It also comes with a deed of assignment, a registered survey, and a power of attorney, of which all documentations are inclusive. Now, this property is selling for 5 million naira, but we will be giving it 4 million naira promo price before the end of October. All you need to do today is to call Josh Consus with the number you see on your screen. Thank you.